Do you want to write a perfect sales message and the sales copy for the product and services? If yes, then I want you to reflect back to your high school and the college time when your teacher asked you to write a paper. I know that was a very lengthy paper and you would always hate to write all those stuff. But if you want to get good grades and impress your teacher, then you have to write that particular thing. And what is the first step you would always take to write that particular thing in a much better and a concise and precise way? Yes, you guessed it very right. That is the research, and it is the most crucial element of doing, creating and launching anything in the world. I would say that this is the most fun thing to do, because most of the people understand market research as the laziest thing, as the thing which can be neglected, but it is the fun thing to do. The writing, creating the outline of your sales copy is a fun thing to do. You know what is the worst thing? The worst thing is to create the first draft when you actually flush out the outline words, all whatever you have written. Okay, so when you are anxious about creating your product, launching it and like making it available for your audiences, it is very easy to skip the research part altogether. Because when you are into that particular zone to actually launching the product, creating the offers, writing a sales copy and a perfect formula of words on which the customer will take action, it is easier to remove the part of the research. And you know, if that is the case, I would hate to disappoint you, but I'm going to be, because there are zero excuses to not to do research, to not to do the market research, and having a time aside to comb the Google and write it down every single thing whatever you get about the market, about the product and about the audience before writing any single word on your sales copy. And you know, I have done a complete research to back up my last statement, okay? And I'm gonna give you 3 important reasons why you should always consider to do market research, and why it is very important for your product and services to thrive in the market. So guys, this side I'm Anasati and I am a sales funnel strategist and a copywriter, helping and empowering you to build high income skills and become financially confident. So let's get started. So 3 reasons why you need to do a complete market research before launching or before writing any word into your sales copy. The first reason is to get laser focused target audience, because when you are doing a market research, you know the ups and the downs your market is going through, the problems, the pain, the desires your market is going through. What are they need, what are the things they don't need, okay? So that you can include all those stuff into your sales copy, and so that it will become the copy, the thing, the article that they want. Your product will become the product that they want. And you can understand by this particular thing, when you are providing anything which enhance the life of your customer, they will always buy your product and services. By doing my market research, you get very focused on your ideal customer, and then you know the expectations of your customers, what they expect from you, what are the things there are. Certainly there is a gap in the market in which you can fill from your product and services. And when you do that, you know the rewards of filling any gap, okay? You know the rewards of creating a particular product which is needed very badly into the market. And when you know this by creating a team, or if you are alone, by doing a market research, by sitting down and doing a complete market research on the Google, on the Facebook, on the different platforms which are available right now in just one click for you to do, like to get all the data from these resources. When you get your ideal customer, when you get the ideal prospect from your market research, you know the right platforms on which you can promote you know the expectations of your product, so that you can exceed their expectations, okay? Whatever they are desiring, you can exceed from those things whenever you are launching any product in front of them. So this was the first reason why you need to do the market research. So the second reason why you need to do the market research is to scope out the competition. I I actually love this quote which says that competition is good because it keeps you on the toes, because it keeps you moving, it keeps you on the zone of innovating something new, and it is good. Why? Because when you know the competition, when somebody is already doing so many stuff out there into the market, you can actually spy on the things or whatever they are doing and model, and also the most important thing, that you will get to know about the things they are not doing to serve the market. And from your product and services, you can actually fill up the gap, and when you fill that gap, again it is your winning situation. So how you know this? By doing the market research, and that is the most important key element, as I already told you. So this was the second reason you should always do the market research, that to scope out your competition, to know the product and services they are providing to the market, to know in and outs, whatever the messaging they are providing, on which platform they are doing the stuff, on how they are using the message to actually attract right kind of audience. And if you want to spy, if you want to know what is the kind of marketing message, what are the things they are doing into the market, don't forget to watch this particular video on the I button, in which actually there is a complete tutorial about how you can spy the competitors and how you can actually see what is the marketing message they are providing it from A to Z. There is a complete tutorial, so don't forget to watch this. So till now, I think you might have got a much better understanding of why you need the market research, and this is the last point which I want you to consider is, when you do marketing research, you get to know about the benefits and the feature of your product and services, plus what your customer actually wants. You might have listened to this particular quote that sell the problem you solve, not the product. And by doing market research, you get to know about the real desires, real pains, and the actual wants of your customer. And when you know that, you put all these together into your sales copy, and imagine that day when your customer is reading that particular sales copy, when you have crafted the real points which they are looking upon, and when they read all those stuff in front of them, what happens? They will say in their mind that, man, this guy knows me, this guy is actually solving my exact problem, whatever I am going through. And when you know this, and when you are doing this, imagine your customer will never have any objection on getting the products from you, on clicking that button or purchasing the products from you. So with this said, this was the last point, and I want you to invest more and more time doing this homework to actually sell more and more stuff for the things you are creating, for the products you are creating to your marketplace. So the first and the most important thing you have to always consider to actually create a good sales copy which do not suck is to do right market research. And these were the three important points, and right till now I think that I have given you enough reason to do the market research and treat it as most important thing for your business. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button, and let me know in the comment section what are the areas you are struggling with, what are the areas you want me to create more and more videos, so that I can actually come up with those videos which you want. So meet you in the next video. Till the time, be persuasive, be popular, and be influential.